Yo, hi guys, and today we're gonna be fighting, I think it's Anglerfish and Jerry the Spider with ogre hands. We got the ogre hands in our backpacks. This is my friend, Mr. Green Guy. You can call him Mr. Green Guy. Yeah, I got ogre hands in my backpack. We're gonna be fighting, Anglerfish and Mr. Jerry. So, let's go!
I'm too slow.
How are you slow? I don't really like this place. Wait, can Mr. Scary Lady spawn?
I don't think so.
Okay, yay. I'm glad for that. Okay, so...
Anglerfish first. Who are we going to do first?
Dude.
Yes! Yes!
I don't think we can actually fight him with ogre hands.
Yes, if we do, like... this.
Okay, you go. He's so loud, bro.
We do it with the overhand.
Okay, go get the ogre hands. Go get him.
I got one.
Bro, get back here.
Get back here! There! Get back here! Just get back here! Die!
Yes, get him. Oh, hell no. Just go kill him. Okay. I'm the duty.
Mimic where he is.
I hate
by the
mimics.
way.
Oh, the mimic's like right over there.
Here.
That's a mimic.
Follow me.
That's a
here.
mimic.
Get over here!
Bro, where are you?
In here, bro!
What if you're a mimic?
Bruh.
Oh, yo.
Mimic. Hello, Mimic.
Hello, Mr. Mimic.
What do you get? Oh, spider!
Where?
Spider's stuck, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my god! Go kill him. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. Do not die on me. He's just jumping.
It's coming.
Oh, hell no. Leave me the frick alone.
I'm coming back. Wait a minute.
He's right here with Mr. Spider. I want to turn off my game. Please come back with a gun.
I'm coming.
Can you leave me alone, dude? No, when bro's trying to go get my food and I won't get him. Give it to him. Okay, go get. Do you have a gun? Do you have a gun? Please tell me you have a gun. Kill him. He just slowly started looking at me.
How much health do you have? Yes.
Finally, bro.
Grenade.
Yes, use it.
On.
Mr. Spider. Is he dead?
Bruh. He's
Oh,
dead.
he's not. Oh. I think that's the end of the video.
No.
English, please.
We need to kill him with ogre hands.
I'm gonna end the video.